It's like I'm embracing, I'm dragging on the energy with me. I'm out physically, but energy-wise, I'm not. I'm still with that prison energy, which can pull you back to prison. Correction sigis. Wena ka silwanela hore ba o tsholla wena. Chup chup. Wena, you are wrong times 4 now because it's you. Khela umathisa batho hore ba tshola. Batho ba re ba lwana o ba thiba re ska lwana o lwanela mosadi akere wena o no lwanela eng kapo wa o betege. Come on guys, so good luck my brother. So now my brother, abantu, they were against me a lot, saying okay, I'm jealous of Jub because he's making it, you know. And it was not about that, guys. And now here's a celebrity, uJub. Uyathandwa mfethu intwana zethu sakwazi yabo esinathi sikwazi from time, you know. Correction sigisi maswiti amnandi you mix. Then I said oh, but I love you my brother. I'm telling you, that is why I was talking about you. That is why I was seeing danger about what you are doing. I knew that you'll be going back to jail, my brother, according to my experience. Hence I was explaining Manuma Orange. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed #1 educational speaker in the whole world. Apa is your host with the most. Thank you very much, Bafethu Njengenjoyelo. Thank you to our family, our subscribers. Thank you very much, Bafethu. Sanibonga nalaba bangenayo. We thank you so much. We appreciate that, Bafethu, because it's the most efficient support that you can give us. Siyazibongela nalaba bangenayo, Bafethu. Keep clicking, share, comment. Thank you very much. Engage. Siyazibongela ma South Africa, siyazibongela ma Africa, siyazibongela mhlaba wonke. Thank you very much. Hey, today ngikhuluma ngenye into, Bafethu. You know, sometimes I'd like to ask my South Africans, every African, and the rest of the world to say, when I speak, I don't prophesy, I reprimand, you know. So sometimes I can make an example about someone, you know, to say, hey, when you do this, here is what is going to happen, you know. So some people, I was talking about my brother, Jub Marohanye. You know what happened. He got arrested. He do the wrong things again. But again, bengisacela umamele kuqala lapho mfethu. Yabona ukuthi yaqala phi mina indaba yami yesiprofito nokureprimanda kaJub because abantu, they were against me a lot, saying okay, I'm jealous of Jub because he's making it, you know. And it was not about that, guys. It was not about jealousy. It was not about hate. I love uJub njengentwana sekasi. Mama ke mama check. Bekuyihero kwestruggle le. Ulwele le country. Yabo, samazi uJub. Yiko bengithi he went to prison at first. SekuJub amaswiti amnandi. Yabo. but not izinto ayazenza lezi benge against izona bafethu. Please listen to this. Mawukhuluma into zasejele embrace into zasejele ongaphandle uzispinela indishi while you are recruiting others.
Yeah.
And recruit abobani abantwana bethu.
Yini
Indishi, it's like, let's say yabona indishi isitsha
lesi sasejele silver.
Yeah, nasesibhedlele kusebenza zona.
Yeah.
Yabona leyo ndishi le.
Yeah.
Every day mangiqeda ukudla.
Yeah.
Ngishaya ehambe.
Yeah.
Ispine kanje.
Yeah. Irambe.
Yeah, irambe nithi woza ama orange.
Buya ekhaya, buya. Buya.
Ngiyenza almost 2 to 3 times a day.
In that way, ngizobuya mina.
Yeah. Believe me. Mangabe wena
usagala. Usaphethele
yamqondo. Kula ubuya khona.
Oh, indishi
le. So that's Jub for you. Yabo? Indishi. Yabo? Ngakhuluma ukuthi bafethu indishi iyaspinwa like ngendishi, literally indishi. Every meal mangiqeda kuye ukudla yabo as a prisoner yabo I will throw it down and spin it. It will go zzz, and then I will talk. Woza apa, which means I can do that every day, 3 times a day. And I'm telling you, something will happen. That person that I'm calling his name, 90% chances he might come to prison. That is to spin Indish. You curse someone to come to prison. That is Indish. And it is to show, again, people must learn, hore, this is the power of talking to the universe. And the universe answering you. That is the power. That is the way I understand it. And now there is the other way of spinning Indish. Now you can spin Indish for yourself. Like in Pumechel. And then mangifika ngaphandle, I'm still busy with inomboro, inkulumo zasejele, hosh, hey, into zasejele. It's like I'm dragging on the energy with me. I'm out physically, but energy-wise, I'm not. I'm still with that prison energy, which can pull you back to prison. Correction sigis. So now, I was reprimanding my brother to say, okay, we have young boys here outside who love to join the gangsterism, especially from prison. I'm a 26, I'm a 27, I'm a big 5, I'm a 28, I'm a 26, you know. So they are having it half outside. They are relying on the information they can get, you know. And now here's a celebrity, Jub. Uyathandwa mfethu intwana zethu sakwazi yabo esinathi sikwazi from that, you know. Correction sigisi maswiti amnandi you mix. Then I said that is wrong. That was wrong for our kids. That is wrong for yourself again, Jub. Look what is happening to your life, my brother, right now. It is not okay. Even at first, I was one of the people who are praying for you, my brother, to say Jub made a mistake and his friend, although they were under the influence of drugs, it was proven in court, you know. But we prayed. And when you come outside, you say, well, now you apologized and you are providing monthly money to that families. Now I was arguing that it is not enough, Jub. It is not enough. You talking in Nomboro, present gangsterism language on TV, like you are not acting, you know, on the reality show. It is to encourage other young boys to say, how Jub ayenza nami ngayenza kusho ukuthi singama 26. Because when you took 26, when you joined 26 when in your previous sentence. And then you claim to say, okay, I apologized to those family and then I provided this and this and this. No, 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 no. That was not enough. It is right, but it was not enough. You know? How so? I've never seen you on the street, at schools, making noise about condemning drugs, my brother. Because that's what put you in trouble at first, right? That's what make you kill children, right? Cripple children, right? And your friends. That was your friends. One of the boys had your CD. One of the boys that you had, my brother. You know? So you should know better about drugs. I thought that was going to be a gospel that you are spreading to the nation. No, when you are spreading correction series, you are spreading inombolo. Me, Bafecho, I was not prophesying. I'm not a prophet. You know, I was reprimanding the man. I was telling the truth to the man. So I hope these people will learn to listen to me. People will learn to listen to me when I say I am what I say I am. I'm the number one educational speaker in the whole world. That means I'm the number one educational thinker in the whole world. So problem, our people, la class, you are too quick to class people, which you must condemn, guys. Education can come from anywhere. Wisdom can come from anywhere. Idea, a good idea for you can come from that dirty boy on the street, can come from that crazy guy running the road of South Africa without shelter, without home. Your breakthrough can come from that guy. So now, when I spoke that time, I felt, or maybe chup, or according to the comment to the people that are saying, I'm jealous of this guy, you know, that are saying who I am, you know, that I say I don't have money. You see, they cloud Chup's judgment on this one. Chup could have listened to me, not these people that are saying I'm hating you, my brother. Listen today. Today, they hear what you did or what happened to you. They are swearing at you. Some of them, they are saying, Mina futhi talang ngamthandi lo muntu. You know those people are the same people that were swearing at me that I'm jealous of you, I hate you. Only to find they are talking about themselves, my brother. They were talking about themselves. They hate you. But I love you. I love you, my brother. I'm telling you. That is why I was talking about you. That is why I was seeing danger about what you are doing. I knew that you'll be going back to jail, my brother, according to my experience. Hence, I was explaining Orange. I was being for real. I'm here for reality, guys. I educate young boys. Please listen to me, Bafetu. Mankoloma. Some may say, when I when I my South Africans, that should stop. Yes, I'm at the lower level. I'm on the ground. It's my chest. I live that every day. But you know what? In spirit, emotional, and mentally, I'm at the level that, many great fathers cannot catch me. I'm not saying your great father. No, I'm saying many great grandfathers. You know, I'm millionaires in my mind, guys. And I'm 25 years in my heart. As you can see, I'm 50 years and plus physically. So when your eyes can show you where they can show you, to me physically, and start to belittle me, you are wrong, South Africa. You are wrong, Africans. If you can belittle me, you know why I'm saying you are wrong, guys. Yes, I was a sinner. I admitted that. And it was wrong of me. you know. But now, I'm a changed man. Completely. I said before, no one has to be forced to believe me that I changed. I was at Agenda Network years back. I was saying that. I was asking people to say, okay, right, please, I'm not that guy anymore. Watch my work from here now. Listen to what I'm saying from here now. Because I can speak a medicine to your sickness. For real. I can speak, I can spark that braveness in your mind. I can spark confidence in you. That's my job, guys. I once explained that in my language that I'm the child of the head of the ancestors. My ancestors, South African ancestors, African ancestors, and the world. Because even God, when He speaks, He uses my mouth. When He listens, He uses my ears. So that when I think, I can think godly. You know? So I subscribed to that. I subscribed to God in that way. When He wants to look at us, He will use my eyes. When He wants to go somewhere, He will use my feet. I have nothing. This is God's body. I'm just, what can I say? I'm just
Passenger.
I'm just a passenger. Thank you very much, my brother. I'm just a passenger. I'm just a messenger. I subscribed to that. So, you not believing me, you will be shooting yourself in the foot, my friend. Especially young people. Especially young people. I'm the past and I'm the future. I stand by you. I stand by youth. I love young people. I love people. Talking about loving young people, it gives me a headache. You know, this headache, my brother, that is beating me from here. It comes like this. When it gets here, it stopped. One laugh, my brother. What are you laughing at, my brother? What is laughable in what I say? Tell me, my brother. I have a headache when I talk about youth.
Yeah.
The love from me to youth. By the way, something happened, Mafeto, last week. A young girl came to me. She just finished school last year. So he came to me and she said, Bra Appa, I see the job that you do on the internet and I appreciate that. So this is the least I could do for you, Bra Appa. He gave me this, Mafeto. It's a handmade from that young lady. Just that I'm protecting her. I can't mention her details, you know. Yeah, she's still young. She still wants to go far with life. I'm just supporting her. So, as you can see the design, right? Yeah, right? Yeah. But now, after she gave me this hat, my brother, I thank her. I appreciate it to her. And then I ran into the house, you know. When I get into my house, I cried. Was I weak?
No.
Maybe you don't understand if you say I was weak.
No.
Maybe you don't understand. And above it, I understand. That's love. You know? That's love. She's my child. She's young. Not that I will think about dating her now because she's beautiful. Now, that makes me think about wanting to protect her future. You know? Yeah. That's what I'm doing to the children of South Africa and the rest of the world. Whoever is listening to me. Hence, I'm saying, invite everyone to subscribe to this channel, my friend. How you know how rata nnete if you want the truth. Or rata nnete, or rata ho tsheya the jokes. Honest joke. Not setsa botsotsi tse. Not setsa botsotsi motho a ntse a o jwetsa scrapa mara ntse a etsang kare ke joke. Not those. If you love truth and jokes to laugh, you are in the right place. This is home. And peace. Solve dintho ka molomo re bua until re be moputswa melomo e. Trying to solve something. Robale re khutla re solve hape. Peaceful. No need to show each other that who is powerful physically than the other. Remember, we don't choose to work hard. We choose to work smart. We choose to work smart. We are smart, mas. God is smart. God is smart, my friend. In whatever that you do, as long as you are doing right, as long as you are living your life right, just know it's God in you. It's God in you. I want that heading. So, Buffett, please, man, listen to me. Had my brother listened to me, Uchup, I'm telling you, we'll be talking a different story today. He will be talking a different story today. You know? And remember, he's not a first offender anymore. Just remember that. So, hope of him coming back, he will have to work hard. He will have to work hard. Him coming back. You can see Kabo Shebe shit again. But there is time where money can say a word for you to save you. There is that time. Stop this thing of saying money talks. Stop this thing of saying everybody has a price. You saw Babu Pagalam Tarat. He's priceless. Mina, I don't know, Uguti, until when some people will wake up to say, Buffett, we don't need Ubutsotsi anymore. Abusebenzi. Right now, things are changing in South Africa. As they are changing, we have Madlanga Commission, the Madlanga Commission. We have the General, Nkandla Mkhonazi, the General. We have March and March. That is led by Uchasinta, Ngobese Zuma, and Phakela Mthakathi. If you have a problem with these guys, then you have a problem with South Africa.
You forgot one person though.
Who is that?
We have Appa.
Okay, thank you very much, my brother. And you have Uppercut Podcast.
Oh.
5. Ne? Is Madlanga. Is Madlanga Commission. Is General Mkhonazi. Is March and March.
Yes.
Okay. That is led by Uchasinta and Obaba Phakela Mthakathi. And there is Uppercut Podcast. There is #1 educational speaker in the whole world. You can't go wrong, guys. You can't go wrong. You know who is answering now? God is answering. South African ancestors are answering. I'm talking about the blood on the ground. You know, I'm talking about that blood. You know, I'm talking about people that fought for this country. You know, only to find today they are gonna insult us and say we are lazy, we can't do this, we can't do this, we can't work hard. Come on. Come on. Come on. We are the smartest in South Africa. In South Africa is the smartest country in Africa. I'm telling you guys. We don't choose to work hard. We choose to work smart. And our systems, the way that they are, is because of South Africans. If we are wrong, we feel we are wrong here, we were wrong here, then we fix that. Easy. We don't go and insult other people, other world, like we are throwing blame to them. What did we do to Africa as South Africa? What did we do to you, Africans, as South African citizens? What did we do to you guys to hate us like this? What did we do?
We accommodated them for 20 years.
You are saying we are not educated. Whose problem is that exactly? Just think about it. Just pause and think about it. If I'm not educated, whose problem is that? It's my problem. So if South Africans are lazy, whose problem is that? Does that make you come and sell drugs here if we are lazy? Some people are telling us about tomatoes. We are fighting people selling tomatoes on the street. We are fighting people that are taking our jobs. Let me tell you, ma'am, sir, let me tell you, we have Abomkhosi. Other South Africans will tell you, we have Abomkhosi. And Abomkhosi, there were people, our mothers, who were selling vegetables, carrying them with the dish here on the head, running all over the streets of our country, selling, and we were supporting them. We loved them, we respected them. Until someone with a trolley, after that, other South Africans, they are telling us, or no, you guys are lazy because you can't even pull a trolley on the street. That's not how we do things, brother. That's not. You can't force us to be like you. We have our ways of doing things. In every street, my brother, in Soweto, growing up, there was a house where we know, Hore, we said they sell cold drinks. Cold drinks.
Yes.
We knew. That house there, beers, take away. Yeah, beers. That house is selling beers, but it's takeaway. One chala, my brother. That house is selling sweets and ice cream and stuff. Then we have spaza shop. The word spaza is a South African word. You can go all over. The word spaza. It's a South African word, my brother. You know. But now, today they are telling us that we can't open shops, businesses, we can't do shit. They are lying. You know, I found out that other people, they are just protecting their best interest.
Yes.
Their interest in this national thing. But now they are personal. They are fighting their personal things.
Yes.
Some of them, they have babies with the outsiders, illegal ones. Some of them, they are lazy to think, not to work. They are lazy to think. They rely on these people to have food on the table. Before these people are here, what were we eating? Who were we relying from as South Africans? As I said, the word spaza shop, tech shop. We did it with that time. The word tech shop was not famous.
Yes.
Spaza shops. That's local language. That's how we do things. We used to do things, guys. Begunama saloon. Ekas. My aunt, my father's sister had a saloon. My father's sister had a saloon. So what are they talking about? Because many things, first time they see them in South Africa. Some of them electricity. To their countries, they have never seen that. And let me tell you this, my brother. You know, in South Africa, we didn't specialize on bridging electricity.
Yes.
No. We didn't do that as South Africans. And South Africans, we used to go there by the box of electricity on the street, because they used to be on the street corners, you know. We call it danger khafar, danger boxes, because they were written danger khafar ingos. So we call them danger box, danger khafar, danger ingos and stuff. Yeah, we will go there and open that and lift up whatever fell, whatever we see that this one fall. When it's down, you see the plugs.
Yes.
So when it's down, we take it up. The electricity come back. We close. That's what we used to do as South Africans. And then some people put it to Kasporo and turn it into a heater. The whole ShopRite trolley. They put stone inside. They bend it by cover, my brother. By cover. And put metlakasi there. Heater. How many watts is needed there?
A lot.
And then our leaders come to tell us that no, load shedding, hey, electricity, hey, we don't buy electricity, hey, what. Which electricity are they selling there? Which electricity are they talking about? What they don't confront, the one that is overloading electricity. Basugela the citizen, because they know us. They know we are good people. They know we are law-abiding people. Our leaders.
Yes.
That's why they take advantage of saying, they know we are not violent because they are captured.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. They are captured.
European
mindset and African mindset. African mindset. As if we are not Africans. If they see us as not Africans, it's fine as well. We can do just fine as South Africans.
We don't have to be Africans.
We don't have to be Africans. But they can't change that. We will always be Africans. Whether they like it or not. We are Africans. It is not by them that we are Africans. 100%.
Yeah.
It is not by anyone that South Africa is Africa. It's in Africa. Its people are African. And Africanism, we know that. We know that. Long time ago, ever since. No one can teach us now. No one can teach us now. Now that there is much and much. No one can teach us now. It's too late. It's too very late. Why what? Hey. So Baved, when I speak, I don't play games. I make jokes. Sometimes. And if you can get used to me, you will hear where I'm making jokes. Because I'm not comedian, right? My intention is not to make jokes. Yes.
But you are naturally funny.
Yeah, you can say that. You can say that. Some people find me that way. And many people find me, especially those who know me personal.
Especially myself.
You see? Yes. So, Baved, good luck. That's all I can say to you, my brother. But now, you hurt people. You hurt people. You are wrong times 4 now. Because it's you. But barbalwana bathiba reskalwana skalwana ulwanela msadi akere wena unolwanela yini kapo wa bete. Come on guys, so good luck my brother. So now my brother. So now South Africans Arben Lintwe Kamodi Pelo, Kamodi Kelelo, Sarona. Thank you very much. Good luck to everyone. Chile. Let's focus as South Africans. Let's focus. Lama 16 lezi kuzoba 16 ezimnandi. ngeke kube nengahanqa shilane bafethu. Your future is coming. It's looking bright. As South Africans, you know how we do things. Peaceful. South Africans, we love you. My beautiful land. Let's show the whole world that we can bring peace in our land. Thank you very much, bafethu. Jacinta, abomama abafunde kuwe sisi. Abafunde kuwe mama. Abomama sebabonke nje. Every woman. And abo baba asifundeni kubaba uphakela umthakathi. Nobaba uNkabi ubaba uMkhonazi, the general. No Mambaloyi. Baningi lapha abomama, bonke abomama bakuMadlanga. Thina madoda ke sesizofunda kuboMadlanga ukuthi yenza kanjani. Sambe nabo babukhumalo lapha. Thank you. Bafana, we are waiting for you guys.